Hi friends, welcome back to Code with Vanga channel. Today we are going to learn about float data type in C Sharp. The keyword is float. It's related to system.single class and stores decimal numbers floating point, size 4 bytes and must end with small f or capital F when assigning a value. Now let's dive into the code. We'll see examples over there. I'm going to create a new console project for float. I'm taking console.app, float, data type, data type. So I have created a console project. Now let's see the keyword. Always we have to remember it's a float. Float. So we can store number with 10.5. But when we compare with the double, so we have to always end with F. Then only it will take the number. Otherwise, if we remove that, it will throw an error. So float always we should end with F or small f or capital F. Okay. Now when we want to print this one, console.writeline, console.readline. So now the project name is float data type. I've selected and I've run the program. Look at here 10.5, but in the console window it is not showing F. That you should remember. Now float with calculations, we'll see that. So I'm commenting only these two lines, and now we'll check with float with calculations. Okay. For example, float A I have assigned with 5.2 F. Float B I have assigned with 2.0 F. So always remember friends, any line in the C Sharp or any MVC.NET, everything always end with semicolon. Without semicolon, it will give a error. Now float result equal to A plus B, because we'll do the calculations. Now when we want to print this one result over here, I'm in the console.writeline. Okay, I'm starting the project. So 5.2, 2 point, that is total 7.2. Now we'll see again with a division example. Same as this. We'll go with the, if I change this into division operator, now we'll see the result. 2.6 with a division. And I always just giving the information. See, I'm commenting these lines. See, float, for example, if I want to give a num equal to 10.5, if I assign, see, look at here, it's showing represents a double precision floating point number. So it shows that literal of type double cannot be implicitly converted to type float. Use an F suffix to create a literal of this type. So we always must use small f or capital F. Whatever you want, you can use. So we have to use smaller capital. So friends, this is all about float data type in C Sharp. Please like my video and please share it with your friends. Thank you.